वैसी प्योर है। भगवान करे हर जन्म में मुझे तेरे जैसी प्यारी दोस्त दे। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑलवेज एंड आई लव यू, आई मिस यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हा हा। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हो हो। हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर पैम, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। Love you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, beautiful. Hope your day is as amazing as you are. Wishing you good health, happiness. Enjoy your day. Stay safe. Love you.
Hi Pam, happy birthday. Oops, sorry, so used to with this mask. Happy birthday to you. May this be your happiest birthday this year, and may your glow, your aura glow and your shine. It keeps on glowing year after year. And all I can wish for you is you become a glowing, sexy Radhi this year. So a beautiful baby with a beautiful baby in your hands. This is enjoy your birthday with your family. Have a nice day and have a great year ahead. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to the most glamorous, hot and beautiful person in the world. Wait, did I say to the person? Actually I meant from. Happy birthday Pam.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear auntie. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Pam, you know what's so special about you? It's your smile. So, count your life by smiles and not by tears. And count your age by your friends and not years. Happy birthday, dear. Have a rocking birthday. And keep glowing, smiling, and loving. Love you.
Hi Camilla, happy birthday. God bless you. Stay happy and healthy always. Bye dear, love you.
Happy birthday, Pramila. Stay blessed. God bless you. May all your wishes come true. इस साल तुम दादी बनो, यही हमारी गुड विशेस है तुम्हारे लिए. All the best.
Hi beautiful, wish you a very very happy birthday. Hope you and your family are doing good. I know in this pandemic period you can't go outside and have a party, but still you can enjoy at home, party hard. Bye.
2, 3, 4. Hey, it's your birthday. Hey, it's your day. Hey, it's your birthday, so let us celebrate. Hey, it's your birthday. Hey, it's your day. Hey, it's your birthday, so let us celebrate. Hey, it's your birthday. Hey, it's your day. Hey, it's your...
Happy birthday, Pam. You are the shining star of our group and you remain like this all your life, shining, shining, shining. Happy birthday once again. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourself.
Hi Dolly auntie, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay happy, stay healthy और आप जैसी हो वैसी रहना हमेशा. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you जी. केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी. ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी.
Very happy birthday to you, darling. My wishes for you are that be happy, be charming, be jovial, and make the world laugh with your nice jokes and with your jovial nature. Keep everybody happy, and you deserve all the happiness of this world. You should be very, very happy. And one more thing, your Bahu Rani has created this beautiful moment to give happiness to you. I'm very happy for you that you have such a nice, loving Bahurani, and may you have all the happiness with the family, and may you enjoy your day. And one thing I'm reminded of is when we last met, do you remember this brush? It was there in your purse, and I was quite fascinated with it, and you just took it out and gave it to me. You must not be remembering it, but I remember it, and see, it is still with me, and I use it, and I remember you always whenever I use it, and I thank you for this. Be happy, dear. Love you.
Pramila, happy birthday. God bless you with good health and happiness always, and may you be surrounded by lovely, sweet, caring people always. Love you, dear. I still remember our school days. We used to sit together, and we used to do lots of masti. We both were so talkative, and I had seen there was a nice smile always on your face. I love that, and you are my Mandakini. Okay, dear. Once again, God bless you. Enjoy your day, and lots of love. Love you, dear. Bye.
Hi, Pramila. What should I say? You have done nearly half a century and become a mother-in-law. So start behaving like one. No, not really. You are good as you are, both inside and outside. This is just to say a very happy birthday to you. May you have many more years of happiness, health and wealth. Bye.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है